Hey riders, do you also struggle with sweaty hair and discomfort while long ride? If yes, this simple accessories can make a huge difference. This is Moto Arch Skull Cap. Just wear it before putting on your helmet. This will protect your hair. Also makes wearing helmet more comfortable. The fabric is breathable and you feel less heat, and the airflow is better while riding. It also absorbs sweat, which means less sweat goes into your helmet liner. This keeps your helmet clean and fresh. Another useful feature is its quick dry technology. Even after washing, it dries quickly and it is ready for your next ride. And because it has a microbial properties, it helps reducing bad odor due to sweat and bacteria. It's lightweight, comfortable and perfect for your daily commute as well as long distance rides. If you want a comfortable and hygiene riding experience, then Moto Arch Skull Cap is a great addition to your riding gears. You can get it now from bikesterglobal.com and all our Bikester Global stores. Check the description for more details. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.